Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about a special Python environment variable which is called Python Startup. And if you take a look at the documentation and say docs.python.org and here Python Startup. Yeah, I wrote it in the search bar on the top right corner. You can see that this is an environment variable. If it's a readable file, it is going to command Python to execute everything before the first prompt is displayed in interactive mode. And that's what I want to show you how we can use it. So let's open up our favorite text editor, and what I would like to do is to create a new file and call this startup.py. Inside the startup.py, what I will do is to define a function called hello and print this is from startup. And we are going to define a class which is A, and this is not going to have too much purpose, so to speak. I just want to demonstrate this part. So now if I go ahead and open up my system properties, so sysdm.cpr, and navigate to the advanced environment variables and create a new system variable which is called Python Startup. Then I can specify the path of this file. Let's copy as path, go back here and specify it like this, and let's click OK, OK, OK. And technically now I have to reopen my terminal. I just wish I could reopen it. And now let's give it a new terminal and start Python. If you check with dir, you can see that we have in the namespace the A and the hello. Let's call the hello function. And as you can see, this is what we have defined in the script. So technically that's it. From now on, whatever I do in this startup.py for I in range 10, print I, and save it and restart my interpreter, you can see that this is what's getting executed before I get my interactive prompt. So this is something similar as to how the IPython or PTPython module works. Yeah, I don't have it installed. So if you are familiar with these alternative interpreters, you know that these provide extra functionality in the REPL, so the interactive prompt. And technically that's it. So this was a short video. So the Python Startup environment variable is basically something that allows you to customize what is executed when you start the interactive Python REPL. See you in the next one.